14 years की एज में आपने फर्स्ट बुक लिखी थी एंड कट टू नाउ यू रिटन 20 बुक्स, दैट्स मैसिव. सो लाइक यू से 14 से लेके अभी तक की एज में इतनी सारी बुक्स के साथ ग्रोथ होती है एक ऑथर की. सो हाउ डिड योर राइटिंग इवॉल्व?
I think I become kind of worse along the way. But I think the primary thing I guess why because well that's again see every artist is very self-critical about their own. No artist will say, oh, I love my face. Because I think somewhere we are torturous souls at the end of the day. But मैंने क्या किया था कि when I started, my writing was very non-systematic, I would say, completely unorganized, all over the place. But as I kept writing, it became more organized, more systematic, more powerful. But वो जो intuition थी ना कि एक instinct थी, वो थोड़ी सी die down हो गई थी. Because वो I became more organized with my writing. तो organized से क्या हुआ कि वो it was not a writer writing, it was more of a disciplinary writing.
So discipline had a role.
Discipline आ गया था, no doubt. जॉब पे तो नहीं रह रहा था.
अच्छा.
पर वो थोड़ा सा गलती हो जाती. वो as a writing should never be taken as a job. Should be taken as a creative endeavor.
That's an amazing point.
Yeah, जो तुमको see at the end of the writing है क्या? It's true that you have तुम्हारे में कुछ है जो तुम कन्वे करना चाहते हो to a set number of people. And if they like you, they will buy up. As simple as. So यही था कि मेरा वो इंट्यूशन खत्म हो गई थी. It was more about अब वो इंट्यूशन को वापस लेके आ रहा हूँ मैं in my recent course. And that's why they've been performing well as well.
Yeah.
And now the next series that I'm coming out with, that's going to be very, very equitably done.
Oh wow.
And very strong. I think काफी scope है.
That's great.